Good morning, friends. Today we are going to solve certain problems, some basic problems based on quadrilaterals. As all of you know, quadrilateral is a figure with four sides. Now we are going to solve this problem based on the angle sum property of quadrilateral. As the angle sum property of triangle is that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And similarly, the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So based on this property, we'll solve certain problems. So here we go. The first problem says that we are given three angles of a quadrilateral, which are 100 degree, 92 degree and 98 degree. Now we need to find the fourth angle. Now let the fourth angle be x degree. So using angle sum property, we'll be having 100 degree plus 98 degree plus 92 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. So in the bracket you can write the angle sum property of quadrilaterals. This you can write in the bracket. Solving this further, we get this is 180 and 190, means 100 plus 190 plus x is equal to 360 degree. 290 plus x is equal to 360 degree, where x is equal to 360 minus 290 and x is 70 degree. This is the required angle. So the four angles of quadrilateral are 70 degree, 92 degree, 98 degree and 100 degree. Now if you want to cross check whether we are correct or not, so you can add up these four angles and you can see that the sum of these four angles, 70 plus 92 plus 98 plus 100 degree, will be 360 degree. So this is cross checking our solution. Yeah. Now we come on the second problem. The problem is that in a quadrilateral ABCD, the angles A, B, C and D are in the ratio, angles A, B, C and D are in the ratio 1:2:3:4. So the ratio is 1:2:3:4. Now we are supposed to find the four angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now the method is, let us suppose, let the four angles be x degree, 2x degree, 3x degree and 4x degree. Let these be the four angles. So now using the angle sum property of quadrilaterals, we have x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree plus 4x degree is equal to 360 degree. Right. Now that is for 10x degree is equal to 360 degree. X is 360 divided by 10 is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 degree. So we got one angle. Now using the assumptions, we can find all the three other triangles. 2x will be 2 into 36 is equal to 72 degree. 3x is 3 into 36, 108 degree. And 4x is 4 into 36, 144 degree. So the four angles of the quadrilateral are these are the required four angles of the quadrilateral. Now, we have the next problem which says we have a quadrilateral given. This is x degree, this is y degree, A, B. Now, it is given that sides BA and DC of the quadrilateral are produced. Sides BA and DC of the quadrilateral ABCD are produced in such a way that we have this external angles A and B, and we are given that this angle is X and the opposite angle is Y. So we are to prove X plus Y is equal to A plus B. We are supposed to prove that the sum of these internal angles of the quadrilateral X plus Y is equal to the sum of these external angles, that is A and B. Now let's start the solution. In triangle ABD, we have this angle plus this angle is equal to the external angle. This is because in a triangle the sum of two internal angles is equal to the opposite external angle. Therefore, angle ABD plus angle ADB is equal to B. So let this be 1. Similarly, in triangle BCD, triangle, A is the external angle and this one is the internal angle and this one is the internal angle. So, angle CBD plus angle CDB is equal to A. This is equation 2. Adding both the equations. Adding 1 and 2 we get angle ABD plus angle CBD. We combine these two angles ABD and CBD. It has a reason, and we combine these two angles. Angle ADB plus angle CDB is equal to A plus B. Now, why we combined ABD and CBD? Because ABD plus CBD gives us X. And why we combined ADB ADB and CDB, because ADB plus CDB is Y. So X plus Y is A plus B. Hence, so we have proved this. Thank you very much. Take care.